This is the 12th question from Digital SAT Test 2 Module 2B. This is a harder set of reading and writing questions. The question is asking which choice, if true, would most directly support the researcher's hypothesis. When you see the word hypothesis, you want to look for that word in verb form in the last sentence of the paragraph. Here we see it, hypothesize. We're going to look at that sentence. The researchers hypothesize that plants depend on dissolving the underlying rock with these acids. What acids? Malic and citric acids. As the process not only creates channels for continued growth, but also releases phosphates that provide nutrients for the phosphorus. So essentially the acids are going to melt the rock and produce phosphorus that the plant uses for food. The best answer here is C. The roots of BT and BM, don't worry about the correct pronunciation, carve new entry points into rocks, even when cracks in the surface are readily available. Because if the cracks in the surface are readily available, they're not going to be able to melt that rock in the crack because there's nothing in the crack. That's what makes it a crack. And get nutrients out of it. So it wants to go where the rock is. See the full-length video. Check us out on YouTube. IB Masters Learning Center, Test 2, Module 2B, the harder set of reading and writing questions. The longer videos will be just above this. Have a great day.